Hi, welcome to the online series of HTML programs. Today we'll go for program number 3, which is given in your textbook. You can get a list of all the HTML programs from by visiting the site itonlineexam.com, and in that go to notes. In notes, go to lesson number 1. It will take you to itnotes.blogspot.in, and in this, click on HTML programs. So you get a list of all the HTML programs that are expected for your IT online exam for March 2021. So today we'll be solving this question. Write HTML5 code with CSS as follows. So you have to create an ordered list with names of tourist cities. Then you have to create an unordered list with tourist places of those cities. Then you have to divide the list into two sections, left and right, by using CSS. So let's start. I'll be using Notepad. तो सबसे पहले हम HTML डॉक्यूमेंट का स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करते हैं. We'll give a title as tourist places, since the question is about that. We close the body tag and we close the HTML tag. So in this question we have to first create an ordered list with names of tourist cities. Okay. So first we'll give a small heading, tourist cities. Using H2, and we'll create the ordered list with the name of those cities. So for creating an ordered list, the tag is OL tag, and for creating the list items we have LI tag. So I'll be creating just 4 names of the cities. So we'll be writing Mumbai, then we'll write Aurangabad, then we'll write Jaipur, then we'll take another city, Delhi. Okay. So this unordered list is created, and we have to divide it into sections. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one div tag, which is used for dividing a web page into sections. So I'll provide a ID called section 1. In the same way, I'll be creating unordered list for the tourist places. So I'll just copy this, and I'll rename this second div tag as section 2, and tourist places will be our heading. Then this will be unordered list, so instead of OL we have to write UL tag, and the list items will list the names of tourist places. So for Mumbai we'll take Gateway of India, and for Aurangabad we'll take the Ellora Caves, and in Jaipur we'll write Hawa Mahal, and in Delhi we'll write Red Fort. So your 2 lists are ready. One is ordered list containing the names of tourist cities, and one is tourist places. So let's save this file and we'll check it, how the output looks. So this is program 3.html. In save as type, choose all files, so to save it in HTML format, and we'll go to practice folder and we'll open it. Where is the file gone? I think it is gone in some another folder. I'll just check out. I'll resave the file. So here it is. We'll double click this. So the list of tourist cities and places is created. Now you have to divide it into two sections, and you have to move it, one on the left side and another on the right side. So using CSS. So in CSS, the property to move left or right is float property. So we are going to use it. So I'll be using internal CSS method. So here I will put style tag in the head section. Then we are writing the ID name of the first section, that is section 1, and in this we'll write float left. Then same way for section 2, we'll write float right. Let's save this and refresh the web page. So we have not closed the style tag. So you can see it is divided into two sections. One is gone in the left side, the names of tourist cities, and on the right side the names of tourist places. You can even format it if you want. You can have a background color, and you can put a border over that. Same way for section 2, we'll put a background color. So you can see two sections are created using div tag. Even if you do not use div tag, we can even move them on left and right side by changing the float property for UL and OL tag. So this is the output of question number 3, and this is the code for it. Just copy it, take a screenshot. So we have created two sections using div tag, and in those div tags we have created the lists. This is section 2, and finally body close and HTML close tags. Hi, welcome to